Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, basically I wanted to just kind of update you guys on my experience with the Pebble smartwatch in 2019. As a matter of fact, we have the Pebble 1 and 2, and I'm currently using the Pebble 2 as my daily driver. And are these smartwatches capable? Even though Pebble is no longer an actual company anymore, all their intellectual property was purchased by Fitbit. And the servers for Pebble smartwatches have been shut down for some time now. And I want to say to anyone out there who's interested in possibly even just wanting to use a Pebble smartwatch, I want to tell you guys that you are able to. It is still more than capable in 2019. And the reason for that is a group of people who just absolutely adore and love the Pebble smartwatch. And this group, you guys may know them as Rebble IO. Now, if you haven't heard of Rebble IO, you can check out their website. I'll put the link in the description. And what they're initially doing is they're maintaining servers for the Pebble smartwatch. Now, while it lacks a lot of the features that the Pebble has had in its past when Pebble was still up and running as a company, a lot of the features that most people relied on with the Pebble smartwatch is still retained. So you could track your sleep, your movement, things like that. So if you're wanting to stay fit and stay true to health, you can still do that with the Pebble 2. The Pebble 1 never really had that, but the Pebble 1 still maintains its ability to actually get notifications, which is exactly what the Pebble Watch was intended for. A lot of extra features were added into the Pebble smartwatches for people out there who wanted something very, very close to a more powerful smartwatch. But it was never to say that the Pebble Watch itself wasn't powerful at all. It's just that the features that the Pebble really focused on were the things that actually really mattered when it came to a smartwatch. The ability to get notifications without having to pull your phone out so you can keep your phone on silent was one of the major reasons why that Pebble even created these things. It allowed you to get any notification, emails, and things like that without the need to pull your phone out. So if you were in some sort of meeting or if you were just tied up in any type of business meeting that really you couldn't have your phone out for, being respectful, the Pebble Watch allowed you to get those notifications so you can see them, and then you can actually reply back to them with the later versions of the Pebbles. And so for those things, the Pebble smartwatch still maintains. You can still get your notifications, you can still get your emails. Those things you can still see on your Pebble smartwatch. Now with the Pebble 2 and the Pebble Time, a lot of the added on features like tracking health, tracking sleep, things like that, you're able to do that with those versions of the Pebble watches. And so in my opinion, these watches are more than capable in 2019. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed what I had to say about the Pebble smartwatch in this video, you guys can let me know by dropping a like. If you just found my channel and subscribed, I really appreciate that. Hit the bell option to know when I upload a video. And as always, thanks again, and aloha.